Ghatkopar is a railway station on the central line of the Mumbai Suburban Railway network. The western side of Ghatkopar station is connected with the Ghatkopar metro station through a skywalk. Nissan, under their CSR initiative Nissan Cares, supported by Anuprayaas, makes the railway station accessible for people with disability. To facilitate independent travel of visually impaired persons, 2 Braille maps have been installed at the main entrances for complete guidance about the railway station. Braille Indicators have been installed which guides and empowers the people with visual impairment to reach the ticket counter from the entrance gates. Finding the right platform within the right time is another task for people with disabilities. So, to overcome this challenge, we have installed platform indicators at railings, guiding the way to correct platform so that they never miss their train. Now, people with disabilities can also identify different facilities like lift for easy movement. Complimentary Braille booklets are also available at the railway station which provide a complete guide about the railway station to visually impaired persons. A scannable QR code is available at various locations which redirects you to a sign language YouTube video explaining every important detail about the railway. Divyang toilets which are provided for persons with disabilities have been made more accessible to empower people with disabilities. Portable ramps and wheelchairs have also been provided for the wheelchair users to board the train. Under this CSR initiative, Nissan Motors aims to provide these facilities at 45 stations pan-India, especially in Tamil Nadu. In the first phase of this project, these facilities were provided at 15 stations.